Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Then you need to choose security and location, tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Click at the chosen one and enter it. After tapping on yes or no, I will go with no. Then select next at the bottom right corner, repeat your login method and tap on confirm. Over here you need to select when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to be displayed. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap on done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!